-10 Celsius outside. Red hands, red nose, winter shoes. Here we go. Just spoke with the landlord and he gave me the permission to install the wood stove. I don't know if it's gonna happen this or next winter because it's kind of expensive. Right now I heat my shop up with a gas burner. I know that it's not super safe, but I have this carbon monoxide sensor and it's gonna let me know when the carbon monoxide in air is below average. So today's build. This is my main entrance door. As I told you before, it's not very safe. I have the gate lock on the other side of the door and we have a security guard on the side. But if some idiot decides to break into my shop, I want to have another protection gate from this side of the shop. So if in case the bad guy is gonna open up this door, it is gonna trigger the alarm that is gonna notify the security company and he's gonna face another gate that we're gonna make today. And this protection gate is gonna give enough time for security to arrive and my shop is going to be safe. So I have installed two of these main support pieces that the gate is gonna hang on. It took me a while to get these two in one parallel line. This is like very important step because otherwise the gate wouldn't close up properly. I've used the laser level to make sure that it's all in one line. So it's bolted down to the ground, to the concrete, and it is welded on the top. But now I'm gonna start making the actual doors of the gate. So that's where we at right now. I'm actually surprised how straight my doors are considering how big they are, and they marry up in the middle just perfectly. So now I think I want a little bit more rigidity out of this thing. So I'm gonna add a couple of sections that's gonna go like 45 degrees. And then I want to add a latching mechanism so I can secure this section to the floor and to the top as well, so you cannot really like push it in from outside. And so it looks like my gate is complete. I really like the way it looks. It has this industrial style. The welds are looking fine as well. It came out very strong. We have this nice big lock in the middle. We also have a couple of kind of latches that secure this part of the gate in place. I think I'm gonna add some more steel in this area to protect this latch from being opened from the outside. The frame is also attached to the wall with a threaded rod that goes all the way through the wall. And the nut from the outside is welded to the piece of plate, so you cannot undo it from the outside. We have 4 of those. And that's how it looks from the outside. It's dark right now, so you cannot see much. But that's how the locking mechanism works. Put the key in and just lock it. I can like bang it and it doesn't even move pretty much. So I'm very happy with how it came out, super strong. And as I said, I'm gonna install a security system to this door and to the window as well. I'm obviously gonna do it off camera for some obvious reasons. And I think we are done with the gate. Thank you for sticking around for this gate build. It was kind of fun. Let me know what do you think about it. And I think the next project will be a wood stove. We already have the metal in the house, so I think it's gonna happen real soon. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.